Welcome to the future of marine fuel efficiency with FuelRight, the ultimate fuel additive designed for the global commercial marine industry. FuelRight is a proprietary fuel additive technology that cleans fuel, tanks, and other critical components of your engine ecosystem. Under tremendous pressure to decarbonize the shipping sector, meet new environmental regulations, and rising fuel prices, commercial marine operators need to find immediate solutions to help them transition to the future. While there is significant effort to convert over to cleaner fuels and zero-emission technologies, the fact is, it will take time and significant financial investment to meet these obligations. What can be done now to help reduce your carbon intensity index and reduce operating costs at the same time? FuelRight technology helps commercial marine operators adapt to reduce their carbon intensity while making a major impact on their operating profile. Improved fuel economy, reduction in carbon emissions, and cleaner fuel infrastructure significantly impacts operating profiles to reduce overall costs of operation while helping companies to transition to net zero emissions. Join the revolution in marine fuel management. Choose FuelRight for cleaner fuel, optimized performance, and a greener planet. To learn more about how FuelRight can help your organization improve operating efficiencies and protect the environment from harmful emissions, please visit our website by scanning the QR code below. Run clean, run smart. It pays to FuelRight.